everyone, welcome back to Chao. For those of you that are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below. We post everything about milk tea, coffee, smoothies, and prep in this channel. Today is a special video clip. This is going to be part one of a two-part video. We are going to make different types of Oreo drinks using different flavors of Oreo. For this purpose, I have gathered different flavors of Oreo that I could find in the market, and now they are all in front of me. I am going to try 6 different types of Oreo. Some of the flavors are new to me as well, and today is going to be the first time that I'm going to try them. Let's look at what flavors I am going to try. First up, definitely Oreo Original. Next, I am going to try Oreo Red Velvet. Now, this has already been featured in one of my videos in this channel, so if you haven't seen that, check it out. Third, I am going to try white chocolate Oreo. Again, I have featured this in one of my recipes, iced white chocolate Oreo mocha. If you haven't yet seen that video, check it out. The last three are new and also the first time that I'm going to try them. First up is Oreo Thins Lemon Cheesecake. I am not sure how lemon and cheesecake will work with Oreo, but that is what we are going to find out. The fifth flavor is Oreo Thins Vanilla Delight. So this is also another flavor that I found, and surprisingly, it looks really good. I'm going to see whether it tastes as good. And finally, this might be one of my favorites today. It is Oreo Thins Tiramisu. So I'm looking forward to this one because I love tiramisu. 6 different flavors of Oreo that we are going to unbox and try today and decide what flavor of drinks we will match with each of these different Oreo. I made sure I didn't have breakfast today because this is going to be my breakfast. Imagine having 6 different types of Oreo. So let's get started. So this is the classic Oreo, cookies and cream. I love Oreo. Next, we are going to try Oreo Red Velvet. In here, very, very generous. There are 9 bags of Oreo. So I'm going to take 1 Oreo Red Velvet and try the second one. This is beautiful. The Oreo cookies is in red velvet flavor, and so the color is red with the signature cream in the middle. The difference between this and the original is that this tastes somehow less sweet than the original. Next, tiramisu. This is the first time I'm going to try this, and in here there are 2 packs of this. Let's open one. So excited. And how does it look? Slowly. It is tiramisu Oreo, very thin, and inside is very, very thin cream, chocolatey color. Okay, so let me give this a try. It's light, it's sweet, and the tiramisu flavor is very, very distinct. This is delicious. Next, it is another Oreo Thins, and it is Vanilla Delight. So another flavor. Let's unbox it. And now the packaging is yellow. Open this bag. Guess what the color is inside? I would guess it would be cream. Ooh, I'm wrong. It's still the same color of Oreo. And let's see what's inside. The filling inside is definitely cream, vanilla. Okay, very, very little cream in there, and a very, very thin sandwich cookie. Try that one first. I like this one. Very subtle cream, but the chocolate is still the signature Oreo. Sounds good. Okay, let's unbox it. Lemon cheesecake, cheesecake with lemon. Oh, that's exciting. Let's see what color is this now. The same color, yellow, same as the vanilla. And let's open it. This is your lemon cheesecake Oreo thins. Okay, let's see. What's the color of the filling? Smells like lemon and cheesecake. Wow. Excited to try this one. I think the taste of the lemon is stronger than the cheesecake, but probably I'll take a second bite just to make sure I didn't miss the cheesecake. Can't decide. Definitely more lemon than cheesecake. You guessed it, is Oreo cookies coated with white chocolate. I have tried it, so this is not the first time I'm trying it, and I loved it. Let's see whether I still love it. Okay. Oops. I think this one has to be refrigerated because the white chocolate melts. Okay, let me try it. Beautiful Oreo covered in white chocolate. This is probably the sweetest among all of them because of the white chocolate. So I'm going to stop right there. What is my favorite among the 6 of them? I suppose the original is always better. If I had to rank them, I'll go with the original first, and then I'll go with the tiramisu, and then I'll go with the vanilla. That's number 3. And then I'll go with the red velvet. That's my number 4 choice. And then I'll go with the white chocolate, and then finally lemon cheesecake. It doesn't mean I don't like the one that is the last, but it's just that it's not my favorite among all of them. So for all the Oreo lovers out there, now you know how each of these different flavors taste, and if you cannot get access to them, you just have to trust what I said. For this video clip, that's all I want to share with you. I'll see you again in my next video tutorial featuring all of these Oreos in our favorite milk tea and coffee drinks. Stay safe, thank you for watching, and ciao for now.